Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Fair Value Finder and today we're taking a look at another screener to try and find some opportunities for us to dive deeper into. And this screener, I'm going to call it quality companies because this is lower to mid cap companies, market caps under $2 billion, something that we can get more growth out of. Might have a little bit less attention right now, lower volumes, but if the fundamentals are there, the market will find it and it will come up to meet its fair value over time. ROE somewhere between 20% and the maximum. The book value per share, something greater than zero, because we definitely do not want a negative book value per share. Net margins, at least 5%. Debt to assets, somewhere where the debt is less than half the assets would be nice. Dividend yield, just they got to pay a dividend. 35% seems a bit extreme. I don't know how many companies it's actually pulling in. That'd be a very extreme dividend that I doubt a company would be able to hold. But even if we bring this down, I don't think it's going to change our list too much. And here were the results of this query. So we screened for all of those and we end up getting Medifast, a company that I did a video on yesterday. It's a company that I thought had some value a while back, and I bought a little bit, one, maybe two shares, just to get my foot in the door. And it's just kind of been on the decline since then. So if you want to know about that decline, watch the video that I put out yesterday about Medifast. And I think that there could be some potential in it if they can turn things around. They seem to be a quality company, but if your revenues are declining, then it's tough. You still have to offer value and a decent price to your consumer, regardless of how well you're able to manage it yourself as a company. Then we have Sabarine Royal. Never heard of this company, never looked at it before. So that'll be one that I definitely will want to take a look at. We see that it's very low volume. It's currently trading for about $63, which is a fair, I haven't dug into it, which is a decent price for a stock. I like my stocks somewhere within that realm around the 50s, ideally, because I do like to do a lot of options on them. And I like to try and sell puts to get assigned into my position rather than just buying shares. So at least I can make some money if the market moves against me being able to get in. Cross Timbers. Lumber is a very interesting play to me right now. I thought that there was some potential in it, so I bought some West Fraser timber about a month or two ago. 3 months ago in May, I bought West Fraser timber, and it's gone up 10% since I bought it, which is very nice. I'll have to dig into this Cross Timbers because most of that 10% has come within the last month. I mean, the last month alone, this is up 17%. NVE Corp, never heard of it. Definitely going to be one to look into. Just shy of that $100 mark. MV Oil Trust. I mean, I'll look into it if you guys want me to. Comment if you do. I don't mess too much with energy stocks and oil stocks. There's so many of them. Another VOC Energy Transfer. That might have some potential. It sounds like more of a pipeline, which I do prefer more. I currently have my money in EPSN, though, Epsilon Energy, which is a pipeline company. I prefer that over the actual production for my exposure to energy. I'm up 4% in that. Karu Ltd, never heard of it. Seems to be at a decent price. We have all the stats over here. Let's see. It's down $5 from its 52-week high. So it's smack dab in between its high and its low over last year. Dividend yield of 14.62%. That's a little extreme. So just that, some of these look very high. Earnings per share, everybody's got at least a positive. They've got one of the stronger earnings per share here. $3.40 dividend. I'm going to have to look into that, see if that dividend is sustainable and what the heck they do. Mesa Royalty Trust. Again, I have not heard of most of these. Petroleum Trust. So I'm going to have to add all these to a watch list and then go and take a look at them and see what's going on. And if they look interesting, I will definitely post a video for you guys to see. But let me know in the comments which ones you'd like to see, if any, and I'll definitely take a look at them. Last screener that I ran gave us two really good companies that I've done deep dives into on this channel, and hopefully this one will give us some good ones to do the same. But if you want to watch out for those videos to come out, please subscribe so you can stay up to date. Like if you enjoy this content, and let me know if there's a company that might not be on this list but you guys want me to take a look at, and I'd love to take a dive into those numbers. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.